So guys, I got my first Grove collaborative order. So I thought I would do an unboxing and just give my honest review on it. It was my first time ordering from them. I ordered this box on last week on Thursday, and it is Thursday of this week, so it took about a week to come in. I did the minimum order. It's $20 and you get a free gift set. So I will be showing you what I got for free. And I will say though, I did have a little bit of trouble with ordering the items at first. I think it was the first day that they were doing the promotion for the free items, which included the holiday scents that, like, from what I've heard, sell out pretty quickly. So I think their website had... I think their website had too much like volume on it or something, because it was down, but it didn't tell me that it was down. So every time I kept on trying to process my payment, it wasn't going through. And so I called customer service a few times, and I don't think they were aware of the problem until about the third time I called. And so they were able to still honor the free deal and everything. But yeah, I just wanted to put that in there as part of my experience. All right, so let's get this started. Ready?
Yeah.
Noah is super excited to know what's in here.
Tissue paper.
You think there's gonna be tissue paper in here?
And mommy, and a paper towel toilet.
Paper towels?
No,
Maybe.
No. Paper towel toilet.
All right, toilet paper you mean? Oh, okay. All right. So here we go.
We got this and open it.
Oh, here we go. Hold on, let's read it.
What's that here?
We're gonna see. It says, "So happy to meet you. Have a wonderful day, Patrick." I think you do get assigned someone from the company, like if you need help or anything like that. Hold on, we're gonna open up the things in just a minute. And it says, "Healthy, beautiful home." Very pretty. And so it's on behalf of Grove. Welcome to our community. So this is Patrick, and he sent me a letter with contact information and a little bit about him. So that was really nice. That adds a personal touch. All right, so let's get this going. All right.
Yay!
Oh wow, what is this?
What's this?
So this is the Grove Collaborative Caddy. I know that they had the holiday red going on, but I wanted to stick with the classic white.
A bucket.
So, yep. It's actually a little bit smaller than I thought it would be. I don't know why I thought it was bigger, but it's all packaged very well. Protective covering and everything. But super cute.
Is it a bucket for pouring water?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a bucket for
No, it's not
water?
a bucket for water.
It's a second water?
And then I got my Grove all-purpose cloths, microfiber cloths. I ordered these to try out. Here we go. It's a 2-pack. And this is one of the free items, the walnut scrubbers that I see so many YouTubers use. So I'm really looking forward to using these and seeing how they work. Yeah, let's see. Oh, the spray bottle. This actually was a bonus freebie that I got while I was ordering, and it's one of their spray bottles, so the glass one. So as you can see, very well packaged. So exciting. All right. Very nice. Okay, so that kind of slipped off, but I guess hopefully it stays. But nice glass. Spray cleaner. I got some cleaner to go with this, and I'll show you that once I get it out. And let's see. I got the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. I like to use this in my kitchen. where my stove is. I like to use it on my stove. It works really well, and I really like it. And this actually was priced the same as it, if not cheaper, than Target sells it at, so that was nice. And I also got the Method Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner in Spearmint. I love the scent of this for our bathroom. And again, this is also actually, I think it was like $1 cheaper on Grove. But I will say that the multi-purpose Method cleaners were $1 more on Grove than they were on at Target in the stores. But from what I understand, if you're a VIP member for Grove, they will price match. So this box came a little crushed, but it's all right. And this is the tub and tile cleaner, orange and rosemary. It's a 2-pack of 1 ounce concentrates. And so this is actually what you use with the glass bottle. So I'd put this whole thing in here and fill it up with water, and that'll be my tub and tile cleaner. So I will be using that and letting you know how it goes. All right, and of course, part of the free set is the Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint Scent Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. I decided to go with the peppermint, so I'm really excited to try this. I actually can't wait to smell it. I'll let you know. Very minty. It actually smells like candy canes.
I got water in you.
Okay. All right, so that's that, and I just want to show you what happens when you're doing videos, reviews. Your toddler comes in with the bucket full of water. Noah.
Yeah?
You weren't supposed to do that. And now look, now the cat's drinking out of it. Isn't this just such a nice review video, guys? Next on the list, I got the peppermint dish soap, Mrs. Meyer's peppermint dish soap. So I cannot wait to use these in my kitchen.
Mommy.
And I got the hand soap in the peppermint scent. And these were all part of the free set with the caddy and the walnut sponge scrubbers. And this was happened to just be like a bonus gift at the time that I ordered. So I'm really excited to try these products out. It's my first order from Grove, and I was a little scared about the whole automatic shipments. But I did go on the website and I did see that you can customize when you would like to get those. You can do it as far out as once every 6 months, but you do have to stay on top of it. If you forget, then it's gonna show up at your door. So yeah, I'm excited to try these products in future cleaning videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed watching this, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.